Hi there, this is Teresa from Teresa's Crochet Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a teeny tiny little heart that takes just 3 minutes to make. I'm going to be using number 6 super bulky weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook, but this little heart works up well in any yarn weight. You can see it here in number 4 medium worsted weight yarn, and here in number 7 jumbo weight yarn, and then these two are the number 6 super bulky weight yarn. So let's get started. For round 1, I'm going to chain 2 and then work 6 single crochet stitches into the first chain that I made. If you prefer to do a magic ring or magic circle, just work 6 single crochet stitches into your magic circle. Okay, I have finished round 1 and I have 6 single crochet stitches around. And for round 2, I'm going to single crochet 2 and then do an increase stitch. Repeat this twice for a total of 8 stitches in the round. I have finished round 2 and I have 8 stitches around, and for round 3 I'm going to single crochet 3 and then do an increase stitch and repeat this twice for a total of 10 stitches in the round. I finished round 3 and I have 10 stitches around, and now I'm going to flip this little heart inside out so that the right side is on the outside, and I'm going to tuck the beginning yarn tail down inside the heart. And for the next round, this is the closing round. I'm going to be crocheting the heart closed across the top, so I'll be crocheting through the front and back layers here. So for this closing round, I'm going to single crochet, double crochet, and single crochet all together into the first stitch. So let me show you that. I'm inserting my crochet hook into the front layer and then also into the back layer, and I'm going to single crochet 1, and then I'm going to double crochet 1 into that same stitch. And then I'm going to do another single crochet into that same stitch. And then into the next stitch, I'm going to do a slip stitch. And then into the next stitch, I'm going to do single crochet 1, double crochet 1, single crochet 1. And then I'm going to finish with 1 single crochet stitch here at the end. And now I can go ahead and cut my yarn, just leaving a little bit to weave inside the heart. And there you go, your little heart is finished. Thank you so much for joining me in making this little easy crochet heart.